To play spots clues, we've got to find 3
paw prints.
3 paw prints. Right. And we got to find our first
Clue. A clue. A clue.
and then we put it in our notebook. Because they're spots clues, spots clues.
We've got to find another paw print. That's the second clue. We put it in our notebook. Is there whose clues? Spots clues.
We've got to find the last paw print. That's the third clue. We put it in our notebook. 'Cause they're spots clues. Spots clues.
You know what to do. Sit down in our thinking chair. And think. Think. Think.
Or when we use our minds, take a step at a time. We can do anything.
What?
That we wanna do. Ready to play spots clues to figure out what Spot's favorite kind of bird is? You are? Great.
Ooh. What's that, Dorothy? Oh, okay. Elmo will ask the question.
What did she say, Elmo?
Dorothy wants to know, what do birds sound like?
Oh, that's a good question.
Let's ask Mr. Noodle. Mr. Noodle! The shade is trying to fly like the Blue Jay. Oh, thanks, Blue Jay. Fly up, Shade. Thank you.
Oh. There he is.
Hi, Mr. Noodle. Well, what's Mr. Noodle doing up there? Mr. Noodle is upside down. Come down, Mr. Noodle. Dorothy has a question. Oh. Are you okay, Mr. Noodle? Oh, that's good. So is Mr. Noodle ready for Dorothy's question? Good. Mr. Noodle, what do birds sound like?
What do birds sound like, Mr. Noodle?
Ring, ring.
No!
Ring, ring.
That's not a bird sound.
Ring, ring.
That's a telephone, not a bird.
What do birds sound like?
That's not a bird sound, Mr. Noodle. That's a fire engine. A fire engine, not a bird.
Not a bird? No, that's not a bird, Mr. Noodle. That sounds like a fire engine. Try again. That's a raspberry.
That's not a bird sound.
We want to know what birds sound like.
Birds go tweet tweet.
That sounds like a bird, Mr. Noodle.
That sounds like a duck. Yeah, that sounds like a duck.
It worked. A duck came. Yeah, that's a bird.
A chicken. A chicken is a bird.
A chicken is a bird, too.
A turkey, that's a bird. And a bird.
Yeah. Boy, that's a lot of bird sounds.
And an owl. And a crow.
Very good, Mr. Noodle.
And another bird. That's a lot of birds.
Wow. Mr. Noodle is amazing.
Yeah. He's very amazing. Well, we better start looking for clues. Come on.